Hi everyone, and welcome! Today, we are going to look at a very important but simple design setting in Elementor, changing the line height of your text. You might have text on your page that feels too cramped together, or maybe it's too spread out and looks disconnected. Adjusting the line height is the solution, and it's a quick fix that can dramatically improve the readability and overall professional look of your website. Let's get straight into how you can do this. First, you need to open your Elementor editor and find the text you want to change. This can be a heading widget, a text editor widget, or any widget that contains text. Simply click on the widget to select it, and you'll see the editing panel open on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, you'll want to click on the Style tab at the top of the panel. Inside the Style tab, you will see a section called Typography. Click on the little pencil icon next to Typography to open up all the text styling options. This is where you find settings for font family, size, weight, and what we're looking for, line height. You'll see a slider and an input box for it. Now, you have a few different units you can use, and it's important to know the difference. The default is usually px, which stands for pixels. Using pixels sets a fixed height between your lines of text. For example, you could set it to 24px. This is simple, but it isn't always best for responsive design because it doesn't scale if you change the font size for mobile devices. A better option is to use EM. EM is a relative unit, meaning it's relative to the font size of the element itself. If you set the line height to 1.5 EM, it will be 1.5 times the font size. This is great because if you change your font size, the line height adjusts automatically. However, the most recommended practice is to use a unitless value. To do this, just type a number like 1.6 into the box without any unit like px or m. This number acts as a multiplier of the font size, working very similarly to EM, and is considered the best practice for web design because it provides the most predictable and scalable results across all devices. As you adjust the slider or type in a number, you can see the changes happen in real time on your page, allowing you to find the perfect balance. Also, don't forget about responsive settings. Next to the line height label, you'll see a small icon of a desktop. You can click on this to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views, allowing you to set a different, custom line height for each screen size to ensure your text looks perfect everywhere. And that is how you easily control the spacing of your text in Elementor. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference in your design. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you learned something new, please give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Elementor tips and tutorials. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.